Hello everyone. Today, linear equation in one variable, class 8th CBSE. It is second chapter. Before jumping to the equation, let's understand what is algebraic expression and each and every terms of this topic, that is linear, equation, and then variable. What is algebraic expression? So anything like 5x plus 7, 2x minus 3, 4x plus 3 by 2, or even if I say 2x, all these are algebraic expression. Here, this is my variable. And as I can see only one variable, I'll say one variable. Only one variable is there. Linear means maximum power of variable. Maximum power of variable is 1. Variable can be anything like x, y, z, whose value is unknown. Algebraic expression is simple in terms of a variable and some constant. Take the example of 5x plus 7. So x is variable, 5 is coefficient. The number written in front of a variable is known as coefficient. So I'll say coefficient of x is 5. And the one which does not have any variable, like here it is 7. So 7 is known as constant term. Constant term is 7. So if I put equality sign in algebraic expression, then I will say it is linear equation. See here. Linear equation means what? Suppose take the first example itself. 5x plus 7. Suppose I say is equals to 9. Then as it includes this equality, equal sign, so I will say this is linear equation in one variable. Linear, as I told, the maximum power of variable is 1. One variable means in the whole equation, I can see only single variable. Even take one more example. Suppose I say 7y minus 1 is 11. This is again in one variable y and maximum power is 1. So linear equation in one variable. This is one linear equation. 2x minus 3 is 7. Here, if I ask, what is the coefficient of x? It is 2. If I ask, what is constant term? So there is two constant term, minus 3 and 7. I have this equal sign. Towards the left of the equal sign, this part is known as left hand side. And the right side of the equal sign is known as right hand side. Take one more example. Suppose I have 3y minus 9 is equals to 11y plus 10. Left hand side is this full. This is left hand side and this one is right hand side. Every equation is satisfied by one value. Means if I ask in the first case, which value of x substituting on the left hand side will give me right hand side, that is 7. So see, if I substitute x is equals to 1, what will happen on left hand side? 2 into 1 minus 3, which is 2 minus 3, which is minus 1. And it is not equal to 7. So x is equals to 1 is not the solution. Take one more example. If I say x is equals to 5, substituting on left hand side is 2 into 5 minus 3, which is 2 5s are 10 minus 3, which is 7. And which is equals to right hand side. So I will say x is equals to 5 is the solution of the equation. solution of the equation. Before going to exercise, let's see some of the tips how to solve linear equation. So, first tip is separate like terms. Like terms. What it means? It means the variable on one side and constant on another side. That is first rule. Like if I have 2x minus 1 and then 14 minus x. So these two are variable. Transfer them on one side. I'm transferring variable on left and constant term on right. So minus will go that side. Second rule, how the number change this side. So the first rule is if on left hand side, or you can say if a term is positive on one side, going to another side, it will become minus. Same way, if it is minus, going to another side, it will become plus. Like here in the above example, on the right hand side, it was minus x. So that is why when it came to left, see minus x has become plus x. And on left hand side, it was minus 1. Going to another side, it has become plus 1. So when it changed the side, another side, it will become changing its sign. Second, if a number is in multiplication, another side, it will go for division. And if a number is in division, going to another side, it will become multiplication. How? I'll show you. Suppose here, I have 2x is equals to 10. As a number is in multiplication with x, going another side, it will go for division. And suppose on left hand side, take another example. Suppose I have x by 3 is equals to 5. As 3 is division, going another side, it will become multiplication. But these two together will not work. What does it mean? It means if I have minus 2x is equals to 10, as it is going another side, so it will go for division. 10 divided by minus 2. It will not become minus ka plus. It is only one thing. Either plus will become minus if it is in addition or subtraction, or it will go for division and multiplication. Like here, multiplication going division and division going for multiplication. Let's solve few of the questions from the exercise 2.1. Question says, solve the following equations and check your result. So how to do that? Here, the first question is 3x is equals to 2x plus 18. So when there is an equal sign, I cannot put equal here. Here we have two options. Either put this sign, which is known as this implies, or you put 3 dot, 2 dot at the bottom and 1 at the top. This is known as therefore. So any one sign you can use. Here, I have variable on left hand side as well as right hand side. So first I will transfer these towards left so that the variable are at one place. So 3x, 2x when you transfer to the left, it will become minus, as on the right hand side it is plus, and this is 18. Next line, 3x minus 2x. So out of 3, 2 is minus. So only 1x, 1 we do not write, which is 18. So I got the solution x is equals to 18. So the solving part is done. Let's check whether our answer is correct or not. So let's checking. How to check it? Checking means left hand side has to equal to the right hand side. So first solving left hand side. Left hand side is 3x. Means what? 3 into I got x values 18, which is 54. 18 threes are 54. Now solve right hand side. Right hand side I have 2x plus 18. So 2 and then x, which I got 18 from here, and 18. Now 18 twos are 36 plus 18, which is 54. As left hand side is equals to right hand side, the value I have solved is correct. Let's see the second question. 5t minus 3 is equals to 3t minus 5. So again, the first step is to separate the variable and constant term. So I can see variable, here variable. So transfer these towards left. This is constant, here also constant. Transfer it towards right so that the variable gets separated. 5t, this will come here minus. Right hand side, I already have minus 5 and minus 3, when it will get transferred, will become plus 3. Next step, 5t minus 3t is 2t. Minus 5 plus 3 is minus 2. Next, t is equals to minus 2. As this 2 is in multiplication, going another side will become division. Next, t is 2 ones are, 2 ones are, which is minus 1 upon 1, and it is nothing but minus 1. Let's see the third question with the tips I have shared before the exercise. So first thing, separating the variable. Here, I have 5x. Right hand side, 3x is in plus. As it is changing the sign, will become minus. So it is 3x. Right hand side, I already have 5. It is there. On left hand side, it is plus. Going that side will become minus. Now, 5x minus 3x is 2x. And 5 minus 9 is minus 4. Here, 2 is in multiplication. Another side will go for division. Do the cutting. 2 ones are, 2 twos are. So here, x is equals to this minus and 2. 2 minus 2 is the answer. Fourth question. Fourth question is 4z plus 3 is equals to 6 plus 2z. Same to same. First, separate the variable and then constant term. Next step, 4z minus 2z is 2z divided by 3. 6 minus 3 is 3. So 2 will go for division, which is 3 by 2. Let's check both the questions, whether the answer we got is correct or not. So checking part, I got x is equals to minus 2. So left hand side, I have 5x plus 9. Substitute the value. 5 into minus 2 plus 9, which is minus 10 plus 9, which is minus 1. Check the right hand side. I have 5 plus 3x. So 5 plus 3 into minus 2, which is 5. And 3 twos are 6 plus minus minus, which is minus 1. As both are equal, our answer is correct. Here, left hand side, checking part. 4z plus 3. So 4 into 3 by 2 plus 3. I can do the cutting as multiplication here. 2 ones are, 2 twos are, which is 2 into 3 plus 3. 3 twos are 6 plus 3, which is 9. Right hand side, 6 plus 2z, here 6, plus 2 into 3 by 2. 2 ones are, 2 ones are, 6 plus 3, which is 9. As both are equal, our answer is correct. Fifth question. 2x minus 1 is equals to 14 minus x. So separating the variable, 2x minus x going another side plus x, and here 14 minus 1 going that side plus 1. So 2x plus 1x, 3x, 14 plus 1 is 15. 3 will go for division. So 15 by 3. 3 ones are, 3 fives are. Here x is 5. Let's see the checking part. Left hand side first. 2x minus 1. What is x value? 5. So 10 minus 1 is 9. Check whether right hand side is 9 or not. Right hand side, which is 14 minus x. 14, x ka value is 5 and 14 minus 5 is 9. As both are equal, our answer is perfectly correct. Sixth question. The sixth question is 8x plus 4, that is equals to 3x minus 1 plus 7. Here, first, before this separating the variable, I need to open the bracket. And how it is? 8x plus 4. It's something one whom a pizza has come. It has to given to both the member. Means what? Means p into x, then minus, here plus and minus minus, 3 into 1 plus 7. Next step, 8x plus 4, right hand side, 3x minus 3 plus 7. Next step, 8x plus 4. Here I have 3x. And can you see minus 3 and plus 7 will give you plus 4. From here, separating the variable as we have done before. So here, 8x minus 3x is 5x, which will give you 0. And x is 0 upon 5. Any number divide 0 is always 0. Let's come to the checking part. So left hand side, I have 8x plus 4. So 8 into 0 plus 4. Any number multiplied by 0 is 0. So the answer is 4. Right hand side, I have 3x minus 1 plus 7. So 3, 0 minus 1 plus 7. 0 minus 1 is minus 1. So it is minus 3 plus 7. Because 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. The answer is 4. As both left hand side are equal, our answer was correct. Question number 7. X is equals to 4 by 5, x plus 10. Here, this 5 is full upon. The logic is because there is a bracket. So I can write this 4 into x plus 10 and whole divided by 5. 5 is in division. That is why another side it will go for multiplication. Then simply open the bracket. 4 will get multiplied with all the number inside. Now separate the like terms. And then from here, x is 40. Checking part. So I'll do checking here. Left hand side, x is equals to, left hand side is x and whose value is 40. Right hand side, I got the term 4 by 5, x plus 10. Substitute the value. So 4 by 5, x is 40 I got and plus 10. So 4 by 5, 40 plus 10 is 50. I can do cutting over here. 5 ones are 5 tens are. 4 into 10 is 40. As both side is equal, our answer was correct. Question number 8. It says 2x plus 3, sorry, 2x by 3 plus 1 is equals to 7x upon 15 plus 3. Here, we need to separate the variable first. So, it is 2x by 3 minus 7x upon 15 is equal to 3 and then 1 going that side will become minus. Now, we know the number with a different denominator cannot be subtracted. I cannot subtract them. So, for that, we need to take LCM. How to take the LCM of 3 and 15? I need to prime factorize these numbers. So, I can see 3 and 15. Both is getting divided by 3. So 3 ones are and then 3 fives are. As there is a 1, nothing to do, then 5. So I can divide it by 5. So 3 into 5 I got in total, means 15 is denominator. LCM is 15. So first I need to calculate LCM of 3 and 5, which I got 15. Now what? After taking the LCM, I need to make each and every denominator equal to LCM. So here I have 3. Out of this, if I hide 3, I have 5. So multiplied by 5, numerator and denominator, you get equal denominator. See, 3 5s are 15. So here, 2 5s are 10x. In between, there is a minus. And as it is already 15 equal to the LCM, so I just multiply by 1. It is 7x. Now 3 minus 1 is 2. Now it's easy to subtract. 10x minus 7 is 3x upon 15 is equals to 2. I can do the cutting here. 3 1s are, 3 5s are. It means x upon 5 is 2. As 5 is in division, so yes, it is multiplication. The answer is 10. Let's move to the checking part. Left hand side. Left hand side is 2x by 3 plus 1. Substitute the value. So 2 into 10 divided by 3 plus 1. Here, I cannot do the cutting. So 20 by 3 plus 1. Again, it is in fraction. So I need to take LCM. Here I have 3. Here I have 1. So 1 and 3. LCM is 3. So make the denominator equal. Need to multiply 3 and 3. Now what will happen? Here, I have denominator 3. Then 20 plus 3, which is 23 by 3. Check the right hand side. I'll do here at the top. 7x upon 15 plus 3, substituting the value. Here I can do the cutting with 5. 5 2s are, 5 3s are. So 7 2s are, 14 by 3 plus 3. Again LCM, multiplying by 3, taking the denominator equal. The whole LCM is 3. And here 14 plus 9, which is 23 upon 3. Left hand side is equals to right hand side. So the answer we got x is equals to 10 was absolutely fine. Question number 9. 2y plus 5 by 3 is equals to 26 upon 3 minus y. First of all, separating the variable, 2y plus y, this y will go on left, 26 there only, and 5 by 3 I'm transferring, so changing the sign. Next, 2y plus y will give you 3y, and here as the denominator is already equal, need not to take the LCM. So next step, 3y, 26 minus 5 is 21 upon 3. I can do the cutting. 3 1s are, 3 7s are. So y is 3 by 7. So y is 7 by 3. Let's do the checking part, whether the answer is correct or not. So first left hand side, which is 2y plus 5 by 3. Substituting the value, 7 by 3. Here 2 7s are 14 by 3 and then 5 by 3. LCM is already, denominator is already equal. So 14 plus 5 is 19. 19 by 3. Take the right hand side. 26 by 3 minus y. So 26 upon 3 minus y ka value is 7 by 3. Denominator is already equal. So 26 minus 7 is 19 by 3. As left hand side is equals to right hand side, the answer was correct. So 10th is the last question of the exercise. The question is 3m and then 5m minus 8 by 3. First of all, separating the variable, 3m minus 5m is minus 8 by 3. Minus 2m will give you minus 8 by 3. Here, the right-hand side number is already in fraction. If I take minus 2 in division, it will become something m is equals to minus 8 by 3 upon minus 2, which is more complex. So the easier method could be, what I can do, m is equals to minus 8 by 3. Instead of this division sign, put this one. This is also division. Because solving division becomes more easy, as I know when division will become multiplication, the number get inversed. So minus minus cancel, 2 1s are 2 4s. And m is 4 by 3. Now see the checking part, whether the answer we got is correct or not. So for checking, I need to check first left hand side, which is 3m. Substitute the value and it is 4. Right hand side. Right hand side term is 5m minus 8 by 3. Substituting the value. So 5 4s are 20 by 3 minus 8 by 3. as denominator is already equal, life is easy. So 20 minus 8 is 12 by 3. Do the cutting and the answer is 4. Left hand side, right hand side equal means our answer was correct. In case any doubt or query, you can message me, comment me. And for online classes, you can contact me on my mail ID. Till then, take care and study well.